Welcome to 1526 East Crescent Way, my new listing here in Gilbert, Arizona's newest luxury home community of Waterston. This home was built in 2021 and boasts 3,644 square feet of living space, 4 beds, 3.5 baths, including a 750 square foot guest house attached with its own private garage. Now, the main house itself has one of the coolest, if not the coolest interior of any home I've seen under $1 million. As we go inside, you're about to see why. All right, welcome in. So as you enter the home, you'll notice what I mean about this cool design in here. And to your right is going to be a media room. To your left, laundry room and the attached guest house. But right behind me, this main house, wow. First up, you look at this gorgeous formal dining area. This is an example of some of the custom touches you're going to see in this home that you won't find just anywhere else. As you go into the great room here, you'll be impressed by these soaring 15-foot ceilings, the custom board and batten accent wall, and just look at this kitchen. You have quartz counters, marble backsplash, GE profile gas appliances including double oven, the farmhouse sink, brass hardware throughout. This is a chef's dream with tons of storage. Over here, a large dining nook, additionally to the formal dining room. And the great room and this area both have access to the patio outside. Now it's a split floor plan here, meaning the master's over there, guest rooms are over here. Let's check these out first and then we'll head over to the master. Guest rooms are right over here. It's a Jack and Jill setup. I mean, look at this design. Coming from this guest room, again, nice bathroom with custom tile work down below, quartz countertops. And by the way, both of these guest bedrooms, in fact, every bedroom in the house has a walk-in closet. Master has 2 actually. So just off the great room over here is the master wing. Now, bathroom to the left, bedroom to the right. Check out the bathroom first, my favorite room in the house. Look, it's light, it's bright. You have his and her sinks, separate tub, and a walk-in shower over here. Back to the bedroom. Look at this mirror, awesome. In here you have his and hers closets. Look at the size in here. Here's the master bedroom. This king-size bed is dwarfed by the size of the room. And here you have outdoor access. Right off the main house, over here is the attached 750 square foot guest house. It's got everything you need, bedroom, living room, kitchen, and a private 1-car garage all its own. And just off the kitchen over here, we have this oversized walk-in pantry and this powder room right here. Gorgeous design in this room. And a 3-car tandem garage. And this is in addition to the 1-car garage for the guest house, making 4-car garage space in total. And you can also walk straight from the home over here to the community park within Waterston. It's a beautiful place to chill with your family, grill some burgers, and soak up the sun. All right, thank you so much for touring 1526 East Crescent Way with me today. I had fun making this video and I hope you had fun watching it. If you love this home, please reach out to me ASAP. It will go fast. If you like this video, if you want to see more videos like this, then please like, follow, and subscribe so I know to make more of them for you. Until then, see you around.